Hey, it's Carl here. Okay, I just wanted to make a quick little tutorial about putting videos onto my WordPress site. Well, Liam and I have had a bit of trouble with our presentation expression site, and we've been having trouble specifically with the videos. We've been trying to embed QuickTime videos using just an HTML generator that we found online. And while that did work quite well, we found that we were having a little bit of trouble as far as just there are too many steps involved, and also we're having a couple of issues with the reliability of that code for whatever reason. I have no idea. In any case, it did work. It's not working now as well, so we decided to find some other solution. Well, I think I found one, and it's a plugin for WordPress called ProPlayer. As you can see here, ProPlayer. Okay. Now, what you do your regular WordPress install with it, and then you want to go into the ProPlayer options. And in the ProPlayer options, for us, we kind of changed the width and the height. We made our 600 by 420. For us, that worked well. And I'll show you that in a second. I didn't touch anything else. I changed the skin file. Okay. Because the default skin file looked okay, but it had, it didn't show the time. And then there's something here where it'll show like a watermark. So this will be the developer's watermark. You can show it if you want. It seems like a nice guy. You can do it if you want, but we just left it off. And then the default preview image. Now you can actually change what the default image is going to be. So you can have it turning off or on. And here you can actually set it to a specific one. But you just got to put in like an URL. So you just upload an image to your server and then just put a link to that there. So that's what we did here. Okay. Visualizer for audio. I'm actually going to turn that off because it didn't look that good. Because you actually use this. ProPlayer can actually be for any kind of videos, and it can be for audio as well. So YouTube videos, QuickTime videos, whatever videos you got them encoded in, it works. And that's what I liked about it. The other things I didn't really touch anything else. So the result of which, after you click on Save Options here, the result of which I'm going to show you in a second, but I'm going to show you the post as well, what we did, how to actually get it in there. It was actually really, really easy. So let me just go to that here, 1 second. And the post that I did it on is this one here. So if we just kind of go there. Okay, so really, really simple way to do it. There's two real simple ways to do it. You can see here it says, I'm just going to zoom in here, add video by using ProPlayer. So really, really simple. You can just click on the button, and I believe it'll help you find your videos. Okay, so if you've got them loaded up somewhere, enter the URL. If you can even have like a playlist of videos as well. Here you can change the settings here, but now I didn't use this way. The other easy way to do it that I thought was pretty simple was to use the HTML version of it. Okay, so click over to HTML view, get your URL from your server, and then you just enter in your URL, which is right there. Okay, you paste that in, and then you just actually got to highlight it first. Paste it and then highlight it, and then you just hit this ProPlayer button, and it generates the code for you, which is really simple. Just this little opening code here, and then just an enclosure code here that says ProPlayer, and the result of which is this. So I wanted to use the custom image, as you can see, and I had to change the size because that's I couldn't figure out how to align it in the middle, so I just made it bigger. So that's why I made it 600 for the width. And then I made it 420 because that was sort of the size that fit everything for us into the video screen here. So if I click on play, it looks pretty cool. I think I like the skin of this one here. If you click on play, just see here, it'll start up in a second. There it is.
Carl here from...
There it is. Okay. So that's all it is. It's pretty simple and pretty easy to use, and like I said, it's just called ProPlayer. So go and download that from the WordPress plugin thing, or from the developer. Just do a search for ProPlayer. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.